Okay, so today we are going to try and wrap this door. You got the material there? Which one are we thinking?
I'll try and wrap it with this one and see how it goes.
That one, or do we want to take a look at the other one?
No, I want to try this one first.
This one? Okay, so we're going to obviously do an interior change on this, and we are going to try and use this pink, and we're going to attempt to wrap the door. We have never done this before. We did an A-pillar. It's in the car right now, but we are going to be doing all the pillars, all the door cards, everything in the interior is pretty much getting covered. The headliner might even get redone. We don't know. It is a real nice black suede, so we're not sure. But yeah, we're going to get started on this, and we'll be right back. Wiping that down with alcohol. Okay, so we've got the first bit of the door done. What do you think so far? Now, we got some trim pieces to put around it, but overall, you know, the effect is very nice. Where did you order this fabric from, babe?
I think Temu.
Yeah, it's Temu fabric. Comes in rolls, which is in the living room right now. We've got some trim pieces we're going to put on the seams, but overall, you know, this is just a test. We're going to be pulling this stuff out of here and just seeing how it works, but overall, it looks pretty decent. All right, one door card done. Now, this is just very rough. We're probably going to rip this one apart and redo it. What do you think, though, of the color scheme?
I want to change some things, but I like the color.
It's actually went on nice, you know. It's just a matter of getting the right. We need knife tape. All right, welcome back. I do love this green color. It is going to be a shame. I'm going to start pulling off the door cards now. As you can see, these seats are still in here. They look so good. I'm going to pull these door cards off now, and I'm going to get that other door card on here so we can take a closer look. I'll see you shortly. Realistically with these, I think there's just the two main screws, one on the handle and one behind the release. And there might be one behind this as well, if I remember correctly. And I'm going to pop this door card off, and then we'll be right back and show you what it looks like with the pink one on. All right, welcome back. I've got this door card off, and we can actually kind of get a look at how many colors this car has been. The original silver, and then there's the metallic red when it was red. There's like a turquoise blue in there as well. And then, of course, it looks like they plasti dip the inside of these doors, or what is that? Yeah, they plasti dip the inside of the doors. Well, otherwise, there's the original silver. Yeah, the Subaru door card's real simple. You've got one bolt in the two bolts, one in the handle, and then one under the handle, one in here, and then you've got your little clips around the side. So I'll be right back, and in the magic of the internet and camera video editing, there will be a new door card on here in 2 seconds. Oh, wow. That is quite the effect on there. A little bit of tuckage in down there, but so you can see there is quite doesn't quite fit in as nice as I'd like. I might have to reset that a little bit. It never did fit in as good as I wanted it to, but that being said, this door card, oh, these seats are tough to get out of. This door card looks amazing. Not bad for a first try. Let's go see what it looks like from the other side of the car. Yes, she is dirty. We're going to fix that soon though. It's almost springtime. Oh yeah. Suede headliner. We do all the side pillars. That's coming soon. I'm going to start taking this here apart in a few minutes here, and we're going to get on to the rest of it. But that'll be it for this video for now. Just a quick one. When we next time we see you, hopefully we'll have this whole dash out. As you can see, I'm already starting to pull bits The old pieces are like a nice gray suede. That is for the Game Boy Advance. Definitely looks good. We'll see you next time.